Starting off, though, at least for today, temperatures were around seasonal, right? Typically, we're about 81 degrees today, around 84. Temperatures also into the morning were well above normal on into the lower 70s. We should actually see some drier air come on down. That's going to take us closer to seasonal for tonight. Clouds as well in place for this evening, leaving us with fairly comfortable temperatures. So currently, we're sitting at about 81 into Kearney, Rosedale, about 80 degrees. Bel Air, that's the same value for you in Chestertown now at around 81. We are watching a storm system, though. This is going to bring the rain, bring the wind, and cooler air as well. Satellite radar shows you it's not quite here yet. We just have the blanket of clouds in place, showers staying well off to our south. You can continue to watch that, and not really moving into our area. If anything, it's shifting a little bit further to the east. But the broader view shows that good chunk of moisture, how it covers right around Virginia and even into the Carolinas associated with the warm front. Now, how strong is that warm front? That's the big question here. Is it going to keep our temperatures above average, or is the cloud coverage just going to be too thick? That's what I'm banking on. So I don't think temperatures are going to be fairly warm when this moves through, but it is in fact going to bring the rain. It's also going to bring winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but that's not where we end. That's just our storm system for Sunday. Look in the corner of your screen here. Now we're watching a cold front. This one, fairly strong, will arrive Monday into Tuesday, and that one brings us the chance of flooding. So here we go with your temperature concern as far as your futurecast is concerned. By 8 o'clock tonight, pleasant, right, if you're out there enjoying the nice music festival. 73 in Columbia, 76 into Annapolis. Now, tomorrow morning, we get a little bit more sunshine out there, so already waking up into the upper 60s to the lower 70s for us right along the bay. By 1 o'clock, it's picture perfect. Essex, you're looking at about 79 degrees. Frederick at about 77, the mix of sun and clouds. Overall, this is the day to plan the picnic with the kiddos. By 6 o'clock, it's still really wonderful into the mid to upper 70s for us. Now we get that front on down for us on Sunday. It brings in the cloud coverage. It brings in the rainfall. How heavy is that rain? Will that also prevent us from warming up? So this model showing by around 2 o'clock into the mid 70s for the Inner Harbor, maybe out toward Easton, the lower 70s, and into Annapolis, the upper 60s. I think there's a good chance we could actually shave a few more degrees off of that. And here's your futurecast to pinpoint why. Tomorrow, no rain. You don't have that to concern you with. Just the mix of sun and clouds. Really wonderful, especially if you're going to have a nice little s'mores roasting into the evening. Now by Sunday at 12:30 noon, now looking at the rain beginning to enter out toward Annapolis. Once we get to 2 o'clock, it gets closer out over toward the Beltway and even pushing out over toward our west. Then around 8:30, still looking at showers. Notice they are not widespread rain. We're looking at scattered showers for us on Sunday. It's Monday that the rain intensity is really forecast to pick up. The rain potential from Sunday, Monday, and early Tuesday, over an inch at the Inner Harbor. Also Parkton over an inch, maybe getting close to 2 inches of rain out over toward Frederick. 7-day forecast, 83 degrees tomorrow. Here comes our first front on Sunday that takes us to a fairly windy day. Also a 50% chance of rain with temperatures into the mid 70s. Watching now and into Monday and Tuesday, our heaviest rain, where we could see the flooding, and then the showers just stay with us all the way through Friday, with temperatures oscillating between the mid 70s to the lower 80s. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Guys, over to you.